everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about if you are somebody who feels like my parents don't understand me. मैं उनको कितना भी समझा लूँ उनको वो मेरी बात समझते ही नहीं है. They don't value what I say. और ये आपके पेरेंट्स हो सकते हैं, इट कुड बी योर फ्रेंड्स, आपके ऑफिस में कोई हो सकता है, मे बी आपका पार्टनर हो सकता है, इट कुड बी एनीवन. And slowly and steadily you start feeling like कि maybe they are against me. But what if I tell you they are probably not against you? They are simply standing with something that matters most to them. And changing this one thing, understanding this one thing can completely change the way you see your relationship. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल एक एग्ज़ाम्पल लेते हैं. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आप जो है कोई बिजनेस करना चाहते हो, यू वांट टू डू समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन एंड योर पेरेंट्स आर सेइंग जस्ट टेक अ जॉब फर्स्ट एंड हैव अ सैलरी एंड यू आर लाइक कि मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे समझते नहीं है, डोंट दे ट्रस्ट मी, डोंट दे बिलीव मी, ऐसा क्यों है? सो हियर्स nothing is wrong, right? Both of you are right at your own places, but what is happening is maybe your parents value the most is security and stability, and your value could be the thing or is freedom, growth, building of your own something, building of your own, और आपको अपनी identity build करनी है. So what you are doing is you are standing in favor of your values, and both of you are looking at life through different priorities. Neither is wrong or right, but they are completely different. And this is where understanding core values changes everything, because हम सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता है which is most important to us, and that particular thing becomes our core values. And most of our decisions, whether we know it or not, our decisions are driven by those values. And our conflicts in our relationships doesn't always happen because someone is wrong or right. It happens, sometimes conflicts happen because of different priorities, because of different core values. So when we don't understand the difference, the concept of core values, what we do is we try to convince other person to think exactly like us or to value the thing that we value the most. So the next time whenever you feel like why don't they understand me, ask yourself these three questions. Instead of judging them or misunderstanding them, ask yourself these three questions: that what they value no, not what they value, what वो अपना टाइम कहाँ स्पेंड कर रहे हैं सबसे ज़्यादा, what is something they talk about the most, and what is something that make them emotional or angry when it's disturbed. So जब भी आप ये questions पूछोगे, you will get the idea that what they truly value. And when you get this answer, ask yourself what I was expecting from them and what is the most important thing to them or what they value the most. और जब भी इन दोनों में डिफरेंस होगा, राइट, कि आप जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो और वो जो वैल्यू कर रहे हैं, इन दोनों में जब भी डिफरेंस होगा, यू विल सी द मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हैपनिंग. And understanding the core value doesn't mean that you have to agree with them or you have to give up on your dreams. It just means कि जब आपको समझ आ गया what they are valuing, you know the why, that why they are doing this, why they are behaving like this. Then you stop taking each and every disagreement personally and you see the situation through different angle and you change the perspective towards the situation. And most of the relationship don't break because they stop caring. Most of the relationship struggle because they are speaking from different values without even realizing it. So next time, whenever you feel like why don't they understand me or why they are not getting what I'm saying, just ask yourself, what am I expecting from them and what matters most to them. So this will change the perspective, that instead of thinking they are your enemy, you will see, okay, they are thinking from their perspective and I am thinking from my perspective, and now how we can handle the situation differently. So at the end, I want to ask you one thing, that if you have ever realized that the conflict wasn't about love, it was about different priorities. So if you and also if this perspective gave you a new way to look at your relationships, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.